Robots. They can beat grandmasters at chess, solve calculus, and even do DNA research, which would take humans decades. So, with all this brain power, why can't these technological marvels simply walk across a room without looking constipated or tripping up? This, my friends, is the mind-blowing paradox named after Hans Moravec, a pioneer in the field of AI. Back in the 80s, Hans and his crew of AI researchers stumbled upon something fascinating. Computers are surprisingly good at the things we find hard, like chess and equations. But the things we do without a second thought, recognizing a face, moving around in space, judging people's emotions, catching a ball, things that even toddlers can do, turns out those are the AI kryptonite. But why the discrepancy? Moravec argued it all boils down to evolution. We spent millions of years refining our sensory motor skills, mastering the intricate ballet of movement, understanding subtle cues, and adapting to our environment. In comparison, abstract reasoning is a relatively new feat. Steven Pinker wrote in 1994 that the main lesson of 35 years of AI research is that the hard problems are easy and the easy problems are hard. Maths, engineering, games, logic, and scientific reasoning. These are hard for us because they are not what our bodies and brains were primarily evolved to do. These are skills and techniques that were acquired recently, things we learned deliberately in colleges and by study, things that are easy for us to teach the AI. But things like recognizing faces, walking, catching objects midair, even judging people's motivations, recognizing a voice, setting appropriate goals, anything to do with perception, attention, visualization, motor skills, social skills, and so on. These are hard problems for AI and robotics. We do not think twice when picking up groceries, brushing our teeth, or even sitting in a chair. But a robot has to perform millions of calculations just to move without tripping up. Simply put, the more effortless something is for you, the harder it is for a robot to learn. You can thank evolution for that. If you like no-hype coverage of AI and tech, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.